Good morning, everyone. I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we are completed compound angles level 1, level 2 problems. Now I am going to start multiple and submultiple angles. First, see the definition. What is multiple angle and what is submultiple angles? If A is an angle, then its integral multiples of 2A, 3A, 4A, minus 2A, minus 5A, and so on are called multiple angles of A. So we are multiplying integral multiples of A. That means 2A, 3A, 4A, and so on are called, those are multiple angles of A. And what is submultiple angles means? The multiples of A by fractions like A by 2, A by 3, and A by 4, A by 5, and so on like that are called submultiples angles of A. Here, multiple angle means the angle is multiplied by integral values. Submultiple angle means the angle is multiplied by fractions like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and so on like that. And already these formulas you know very well. Now, how to remember it, the formula, that is important. In IP, already Shahid sir is discussed formulas and proofs also. Here, no need to discuss, I think. If you want, I will discuss, no problem. Students, see that sine 2a. What is sine 2a formula? That is 2 sine a cos a. This is in terms of sine and cos. Sine 2a formula is there in terms of tan also. What is that? 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. There are two formulas sine 2a. One is sine 2a formula 2 sine a cos a. Another one is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. This is sine 2a formula. And see here submultiple angle formula also. So if you know multiple angle formula, then you will get easily submultiple angle formula. What is the difference between both? Observe here. Here 2a is there, but here we are getting a. That means half of the angle. Here a is there, then what will come? Half of the angle or not? So sine a formula, that is 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2. In terms of tan, observe this, 2 tan a by 2 divided by 1 plus 1 plus tan square a by 2. This is submultiple angle formula. Similarly, go to the cos 2a. Cos 2a, there are four different formulas. Cos 2a formula, this is cos square a minus sine square a. This is in terms of cos and sine. Cos 2a formula in terms of cos, this is 2 cos square a minus 1. Cos 2a formula in terms of sine, that is 1 minus 2 sine square a. Cos 2a formula in terms of tan, this is 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Here, there are four formulas of cos 2a. One is in terms of cos and sine. Another one is in terms of cos. Third one is in terms of sine. Fourth one is in terms of tan. Same like that, Write here submultiple angle formulas. What is the difference? You know that here 2a is there. That's why here we got half of the angle. But here a is there. Tell me what is half of the angle? That is a by 2. So cos a formula, cos square a by 2 minus sine square a by 2. This is in terms of cos and sine. Write that only in terms of cos. What is the formula? 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. In terms of sine, what is the formula, students? 1 minus 2 sine square a by 2. In terms of tan, that is 1 minus tan square a by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square a by 2. These are the formulas sin 2a and cos 2a, multiple angles and submultiple angles. How to remember it? Here 2a is there. Here 2a is there. That's why here we are getting a, half of the angle. Here a is there. A half angle, how much? A by 2. If you know multiple angle formula, then automatically we can write easily submultiple angle formula also. Okay, students. Now see that tan 2a formula. Tan 2a means sin 2a divided by cos 2a. Here sin 2a formula is there in terms of tan and the cos 2a formula in terms of tan. Divide both. 1 plus tan square a, 1 plus tan square a is going to cancel. We get tan 2a formula, that is tan 2a formula, that is 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Now, how to remember it? Submultiple angle formula, tan a. So, take the half of the angle, 2 tan a by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square a by 2. This is. Next, cot 2a formula. This is cot square a minus 1 cot square a minus 1 divided by 2 cot a. This is multiple angle formula. Then submultiple angle formula. Cot square a by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 cot a by 2. This is cot 2a formula. Now, sin 3a formula. What is sin 3a? Students, tell me. That is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. This is a multiple angle formula. Then submultiple angle formula. And how to write that? Here 3a is there. That's why here we got a. That means divide with 3 here, then you will get. And here a is there. Divide with 3, you will get submultiple angle formula. Sin a formula 3 sin a by 3 minus 4 sin cube a by 3. Students, are you understood? Similarly, we can write cos 3a formula. What is cos 3a? 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. This is multiple angle formula. Now, how to write submultiple angle formula? 4 cos cube a by 3 minus 3 cos a by 3. Sin 3a formula 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a formula 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. This is the formula. Now tan 3a. What is tan 3a? 3 tan a, 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. This is tan 3a formula. Then tell me submultiple angle formula. Just in place of a, write a by 3. 3 tan a by 3 minus tan cube a by 3 divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a by 3. This is submultiple angle formula. Similarly, what is cot 3a formula? Students, cot 3a formula, that is 3 cot a minus cot cube a divided by 1 minus 3 cot square a. Similarly, tell me cot a formula. Just in place of write a by 3. 3 cot a by 3 minus cot cube a by 3 divided by 1 minus 3 cot square a by 3. These are sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, cot 3a formulas. Now I am going to write sin a, cos a, tan a formulas in terms of cos. In terms of cos. Sin a formula in terms of cos, that is plus or minus under root 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. What is 1 minus cos 2a formula, students? That is 2 sin square a. So cos a formula plus or minus under root 1 plus cos 2a, 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2. 1 plus cos 2a means you will get 2 cos square a. 1 minus cos 2a means you will get 2 sin square a. Then tell me how to write tan a formula. Tan a means you know very well, that is sin by cos. Observe here, we get 1 minus cos 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a. This is tan a formula. By observing the quadrant, it is first quadrant means take all positive. Second quadrant means sin positive, cos negative, tan negative. Third quadrant means tan positive, sin and cos negative. Fourth quadrant means cos positive, remaining sin and tan are negative. By observing the quadrant, we can take the plus or minus. Now students, tell me submultiple angles sin a by 2. What is the formula? Plus or minus under root 1 minus cos a divided by 2. Similarly, cos a by 2 formula under root 1 plus cos a divided by 2. Then tell me tan a by 2 formula plus or minus under root 1 minus cos a divided by 1 plus cos a. This is submultiple angle formula. 2 sin square a. Now 2 sin square a send left hand side and cos 2a sin right hand side. 1 minus cos 2a. 2 sin square a left hand side, cos 2a sin right hand side. What is sin square a? Sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Okay, student. Now square send right hand side, we get plus or minus. Plus or minus under root 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Students, are you understood how we got the sin a formula? Plus or minus under root 1 minus cos 2a. Similarly, derive the cos a formula. Okay, then how we get tan a? Tan a means sin a by cos a only now. So you will get tan a formula, that is plus or minus under root 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. Now see here, tan pi by 4 plus a. Tan pi by 4 plus a, that is in the form of tan of a plus b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So how to write? That is 1 plus tan a, 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. This is, we can write another form also, that is cos a plus sin a divided by cos a minus sin a. This is similarly submultiple angle formula. How to write, students? This is 1 plus tan a by 2 divided by 1 minus tan a by 2. This is tan a by 2 means we can write sin a by 2 divided by cos a by 2 and take LCM. Numerator LCM, denominator LCM is going to cancel. You will get cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2 divided by cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2. This is tan pi by 4 plus a. Similarly, write that tan pi by 4 minus a. Students, how to write? Just to change the sign. That means 1 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan a. That is equal to, in terms of sine and cos, write that cos a minus sin a divided by cos a plus sin a. And see that submultiple angle formula. What is that? 1 minus tan a by 2 divided by 1 plus tan a by 2. And write that in terms of sine and cos. That is cos a by 2 minus sin a by 2 divided by cos a by 2 plus sin a by 2. These are multiple and submultiple angle related formula.